Bitcoin may be in line for worse losses in the new year, analysts say, but BTC price action has at least fared better than TSLA. Bitcoin, BTC, circled $16,750 after the December 28 Wall Street Open after stocks dragged markets lower. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView tracked BTC/USD as it recovered from local lows of $16,559 on Bitstamp. After days of barely any movement up or down, Bitcoin finally saw a flicker of action as traditional markets opened after the Christmas break. Unfortunately for bulls, volatility was to the downside, with BTC/USD seeing its lowest levels since December 20. On equities markets, United States indexes improved after a weak first day, which nonetheless failed to leave much of an impression on BTC commentators, many of whom stuck to grim short-term price forecasts. "I can't stress this enough," Tony Guinea wrote in part of a Twitter update. "The sell-off will accelerate in the coming weeks. This bear market is far from over." Accompanying charts showed targets for Bitcoin and several altcoins, with Ether, ETH, due a trip as low as $600. Fellow analytics account Liquid Markets likewise told followers to be prepared for even lower prices in 2023, with these to be lower than most expect. Amid an absence of buyer interest, only MicroStrategy and its CEO, Michael Saylor, were on record for increasing BTC exposure. The firm, already the public company with the largest Bitcoin treasury, added another 2,500 BTC to its reserves, it confirmed in a filing. At $16,700, meanwhile, BTC/USD traded at around 60% down year-to-date, with 3 days until the yearly close. This was noticeably comparable to Tesla stock, which at $113 was on track to seal year-to-date losses of 72% or more. For Mike McGlone, senior macro strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence, there was enough evidence in the asset's performance to entertain the possibility of Bitcoin coming out on top. The near certainty of declining Bitcoin supply versus the rising amount of Tesla shares outstanding favors outperformance by the crypto, if the rules of economics apply, research he posted on Twitter on December 19 read. Tesla CEO Elon Musk's offloading of TSLA in 2022 remained on others' radar. Discussing trading activity at the firm on December 25, analyst Christopher Bloomstrand described both Tesla's BTC stake and shareholders as suffering mightily this year. Since the March 15, 2021 rebranding, Tesla and Bitcoin are down 48% and 70%, respectively. "Great fun," he summarized. "The views, thoughts and opinions expressed here are the authors alone, and do not necessarily reflect or represent the views and opinions of Cointelegraph."